Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the latest release from Samsung, the Galaxy A06, which just dropped in Vietnam. It's heading to more markets soon, so let's break down what this budget-friendly smartphone has to offer. First up, the Galaxy A06 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 SoC. You can pick between two variants, 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of storage, or 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage. Plus, you've got a micro SD card slot for extra storage. Now let's talk cameras. The main rear camera is a solid 50MP shooter. On the front, you'll find a 6.7-inch HD plus touchscreen with a 90Hz refresh rate. That's going to make your videos and games look pretty smooth. Battery life? You're looking at a 5000 mAh capacity with 25W fast-wired charging support. That's plenty to get you through the day with some juice to spare. And speaking of juice, if you buy before September 30th, Samsung's throwing in a free 25W charger, since there's none in the box. One cool design feature is the flat back with vertical stripes. It's designed to repel fingerprints and looks pretty sleek. The fingerprint sensor is conveniently embedded in the power button. Samsung is also promising 2 major Android updates for the Galaxy A06, so you can expect to reach Android 16 with this device. If you're in Vietnam, you can snag the 464th GB model for VND 3,190,000, roughly $127 or 115 euros. The 128th GB variant will set you back VND 3,790,000, about $151 or 137 euros. So what do you think about the Galaxy A06? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.